Hey everybody, Luke here. In this really quick video, we're going to hear from Adrian, one of my clients who's absolutely smashing it right now as a setter. He's going to highlight 2 areas he's been focused on that's skyrocketing his commission. Keep an ear out for those. We'll recap at the end.
Hey guys, hope you're having a great night. This is Adrian. Just wanted to hop on here real quick, give a special shout out to my good friend Luke. I just finished my first month here at his Mindset to Market Sales Mastery program. A few short words for him. Amazing guy, taught me a lot. A little background on my end. I came from the car business and I ventured into the high ticket sales space as a setter for this company called Greystone Trading. Luke has been diligent in reviewing all my calls, holding me accountable, making sure that I have the right mindset when taking these sales calls. And that goes a long way. And that's what, I've really doubled down on and blossomed into and developed my skill set with Luke. So thank you, Luke. Currently the most cash collected at my company. Here are a couple of accolades. And yeah, this wouldn't be possible without you, Luke. Keep crushing, bro. I'll see you soon. And yeah, thanks again, man.
There you have it. What did Adrian say? Those 2 areas. The first one, call recordings. So important to get a second pair of ears and eyes on what you are saying and help you review and refine your sales calls. The second thing, mentality. Crucial in all parts of life, but especially when you are selling remotely. Guys, I've got some links in the description below. As always, have a great day. Keep selling.